Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you what to do when it's an error 11, like this bike here. So there's the one thing I would suggest to do first. Let's turn off the bike from the back. Switch off. Now display it's off. The error 11, it says the motor is overheating. Sometimes what happens is the cable is not connected all the way properly back here. It's behind the kickstand on the rear motor. This is Pro model, but it could happen on the all-wheel drive as well. Let's start by unplug that cable first. There's like a screw attached to the cable. You have to unscrew. So this is how it looks like. So you have to turn this counterclockwise to unscrew and clockwise to screw in back. Make sure the arrows are connected in the same position, aligned together, and then screw it in. Once you start screwing it in, you can do pushing both cables together at the same time so you don't miss a spot. I recommend to do it on the behind the kickstand, just because if somebody is riding as a passenger with the feet on the pegs, you could push the cable and unscrew it. Okay, now let's just screw all the way in, back in place. Let's see if that fixed the problem. Turn the bike on, back again. On from here. Still there. We have here an error 11. This is the second step for troubleshooting, just to make sure what's gonna fix the problem. First step was to unplug the cable from the motor and plug it back in. Let's try now to change the motor for a new one. Just make sure bike is off again. Then let's unplug the cable from here. And I have here another motor, which is just for tried it out. It's a 1000-watt motor because this is the Pro model. Let's try that out. Let's unplug this first. One cable. Let's plug it into this other motor just to check if that's what it needs to be replaced. Remember to align those two arrows. This is what I was talking about. Just screw it in and push both sides at the same time. Just to make sure it's all the way in. That it is. And let's try it again. Turn on the bike. There's a turn on here. And the error 11 disappeared. So we are good now.